Did you know that you can further improve the quality of your tea while reducing costs? Withering is the single most important process in black tea manufacturing. Major share of the tea factory's total electricity consumption goes to withering. Saving energy here can help to reduce the cost of production.
Tea sector had been there for the last 150 years, and it is a major user of electricity in our country in its tea processing. So being a very old industry, it is still using colonial era equipment and technology. So there's a lot of improvement possibilities available in the tea industry.
During withering, the airflow should be reduced as surface moisture is removed. Traditionally, this is done mechanically.
We control the airflow by adjusting the louvers, but it had never impact on the electricity cost because the fan speed was on the same RPM.
However, we also control the airflow by controlling the speed of the fan motor. This can lead to significant electricity savings.
With the variable drives, we were able to control the fan speed and control it during the peak hours.
What are variable frequency drives? Variable frequency drive, or VFD, commonly known as an inverter or a variable speed drive, is a type of electronic motor controller which can control the speed of a motor. Reducing the speed of the motor ultimately reduces the electricity bill, not to mention the carbon footprint as well. The VFD is the most appropriate system for controlling the withering airflow. They allow the fan to blow the exact quantity of air required for an excellent uniform wither.
පළවෙනි වාසිය අපිට බල ශක්තිය ඉතුරු කර ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඊවන් විදර එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඊවන් විදර එක හරහා ලොකු බලපෑමක් සිද්ධ වෙනවා ඊළඟ පියවරවල වලට අපිට ක්වොලිටි එක එක දිගට පවත්වාගෙන යන්න. දවසට එන අපේ ක්‍රොප් එක අපිට හොඳට මේ කළමනාකාර කරගෙන ට්‍රප් වලට බෙදාගෙන VFD කන්ට්‍රෝල් එකේ විදර එක කරගන්න පුළුවන්.
Factory owners claim the quality of their tea has increased, resulting in an increase in high-grade tea with higher value and a reduction in refused tea at the end of the day. One great feature of VFDs is that the energy consumption of the connected motor can be monitored, giving the user peace of mind and awareness, eliminating any doubts related to energy savings. This data can be observed by an authorized person through the web-based monitoring portal wherever they are. Narmar Project has successfully developed a VFD online monitoring application to check the status of VFDs running in tea factories instantly from mobile devices. Going a step further, the Narmar Project has supported interested tea factories to introduce VFDs for other applications such as airflow control of their furnaces and boilers. This saves fuel wood in addition to the electrical energy savings.
The VFD units were working very efficiently and I found my withers were excellent. I am sure the quality parameters will improve in your end product as well as the costing will come down in your factory energy. Go in for few units and see whether there are benefits. In my case, I have seen the benefits, I have numbers right, and my cost is one of the lowest in the plantation sector.
We are interested in helping make sure Sri Lanka has a sustainable future. Join us in the pursuit of global environmental sustainability. Let's save our planet. This is the only home we have.